Hi students, welcome to our physics class now. So in this class we are going to learn about a derivation of mirror formula, that is a mirror equation for spherical mirrors. So now the derivation of mirror formula or mirror equation. So using a concave mirror. So it is a symbol for concave mirror, students. Now it is a ray diagram. So it is object. This is the incident ray which is incident at the pole P and it is reflected like that. So it is the incident ray and this is the reflected ray. So passing through center of curvature. So these two reflected rays are meeting at this point. So where B dash A dash image is formed, it is an inverted real image between F and C. So now students, AB is the object, A dash B dash is the image, PB, that is distance from pole to this point, it is object distance taken as U. The distance from pole to B dash, it is a image distance denoted by V. Distance from pole to focal point is a focal length small f. Distance from pole to center of curvature is radius. So now the distance from C to B is given by PB minus PC, students. The distance from C to B is equal to PB minus PC, and distance from B dash to C is a B dash C is equals to PC minus PP dash. So now from the ray diagram, so the triangles ABC and A dash B dash C are similar triangles. You can see, students, triangle ABC, it is a right angle triangle. So A dash B dash C, it is also right angle triangle. So these two are similar triangles. So from the ray diagram, triangles ABC, A dash B dash are similar triangles. Then when the triangles are similar, so we can compare the ratio between height and base of one triangle and ratio between height and base of another triangle. So ratio between height and base of the triangle ABC and ratio between height and base of the triangle A dash B dash C we compare. So in the triangle ABC, height is AB, students, base is CB. Comparing, so that is why equal sign is written. So in the triangle A dash B dash C, height is A dash B dash, base is B dash C. So now, so positions are interchanged, students. A dash B dash is changed to this position, CB is changed to this position. So AB by A dash B dash is equals to CB by B dash C. It is equation 1. So again from the ray diagram, so we are taking two triangles ABP and A dash B dash P. ABP, it is, you can see, students, it is a ABP. It is a one right angle triangle, another triangle A dash B dash P. So these are the two right angles. Again we apply same procedure, that is we want to compare the ratio between height and base of in the first triangle equal to the ratio between height and base of another triangle, that is the ratio between height and base of this triangle, and the ratio between height and base of this triangle, students. This is A dash B dash P. So that is why here you can see. So from the ray diagram, the triangles ABP and A dash B dash P are similar triangles. Then the ratio between height and base. So in this triangle, height is AB and base is PB, students. AB is the height and PB. So AP by PB is equals to, in this triangle, height is A dash B dash and base is PB dash. So A dash B dash by PB dash. So now interchanging the positions, students, by the cross multiplication. So this is here. Interchanging the positions, students. This is here and this is here. So AB by A dash B dash is equals to PB by PB dash. It is equation 2. Now, so you can see equation 1 and equation 2. So left side quantity, students, here it is, here it is. So left side quantities, left side ratios are equal, students, then we can compare right side. That is why from equation 1 and 2 we can write CB by B dash C is equals to PB by P B dash. But in the beginning CB formula is there, B dash C formula is there. That is why this in the place of CB it is written, in the place of B dash C it is written equal to PB by P B dash. So now, so in the beginning, so it is written, students, you can see object distance, image distance, focal length, radius. So that is why in the place of this you can see U minus PB means U, PC means R, by PC means R, PB dash means V, image distance, equal to U, PB dash means V. So by the cross multiplication, so V into U, my V of U minus R is equals to U of R minus V. So by the simplification, students, you can see here simplification. Finally, you can get 2VU is equals to UR plus VR. So divide this equation with UVR on both sides. So this equation is divided with UVR on both sides. That is, so you can see cancellation, students. Remaining one is 2 by R is equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U. So we know that radius equal to 2 times the focal length. Radius is double the focal length. That is why 2 by R means 2 by R is 2F. 2F is written, so cancellation. So you can get 1 by F is equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U. So this is a derivation of the mirror formula or mirror equation, students. So you can see again from the top. That's all.